Hi, and welcome back to my 21 Gun Saloon. I'm a disabled veteran who likes to make drinks and would like to share them with you. Today, I'm going to take this Watkins Cinnamon Apple Whiskey. It is 70 proof and it is bottled in Kentucky. It looks like it's produced there as well. It's kind of deceiving when they say bottled in Kentucky instead of made in Kentucky. Ounce and a half of your Watkins Cinnamon Apple Whiskey. And I'm going to top it off with this Faygo Fireworks soda. I hope everyone out there is having a great day today. If you can do me a favor and smash that like button. While you're at it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. These videos are also my way to honor the memory of the men and women who volunteered or may have been drafted to serve this country. If you would like for me to dedicate a video to a fallen veteran or soldier, email me at my21gunsaloon@gmail.com. And I will dedicate it to your fallen hero. I will now raise my glass and pay my respects to Arthur Alden. Arthur passed away on February 11th, 2026 at the age of 77. He served in the Army and he called New York home. You may be gone, but you will never be forgotten. Thank you so much for your service. You will be missed. Wow, above a 10 out of 10. The flavors are amazing. This is a great combination and I highly recommend it. Never drink to forget. Always drink to remember. Arthur, may you rest in peace. Mm, that is good. On average, 22 veterans and soldiers take their lives daily. If you're having a mental health crisis, please reach out to the agencies listed in the description below. These services are free, so please reach out for help. If you like what I am doing, please like, subscribe, and share these videos. Please help me keep the memory of these heroes alive. Since these episodes contain alcohol, please drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Thank you, and have a great day.